here, so let's do it.
Let's go with the show, guys, and here it is. A lot of people have been asking me, where do I launch off the boat on the west coast? It's called Horton Park and Boat Ramp, and is conveniently located about 4 to 5 minutes away from the house, and is also used by most of the locals that live on the water here. And the trailer parking is not very big. I say it holds around 20 to 25 boat trailers, and that's due because most of the people that use this ramp, they take their trailers back home, like we did ourselves today. And today my dad helped me out because the boys didn't want to come. And by the way, by the time you guys watch this, it is past Valentine's Day, so I would like to wish everybody that loves somebody a happy Valentine's, and hope you get to spend the day with the people you love.
How you doing, guys? And welcome back to the best place on earth, on the water. And it doesn't matter if you're on the east or the west side, just as long as you're in the water. And today is another winter boating in Florida, but if you saw the last video, we were on Miami all over, but now this weekend we're over here on the west side, Fort Myers, Cape Coral, and taking out the island hopper. That I've been going on so much on the hydro sport that I kind of forgot how little the island hopper is, but still loving it though because it's so easy to get it out of the water.
And now we're working ourselves out through the channel and waiting for the sign to go back to normal operating speed.
It's really easy to get the boat in the water, and I could either go straight out, you know, and enjoy my day, or I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the house and pick up Ogita and maybe go I don't know, to a restaurant or just island hopping. I don't know what today what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do something, and definitely it's gonna be on the water.
Now we just reached our channel to go back to the house, and here you also have to pay attention for the signs that go back to idle speed. And remember, idle speed is considered 5 miles an hour or less, and if you see that you're making a wake even at that speed, and then slow down even more. From the boat ramp to our entrance to the channel, I say about 10 to 15 minutes. I mean, that's because I have to go idle, leaving from the channel from the boat ramp and entering the channel to the house. And you notice the water is pretty flat today, and the sky is pretty clear. And I think right now it's about 81 degrees, so it makes it perfect to go boating. And now we're leaving the main channel to enter the finger channel to the back of the house. And that's how easy and quick we can make it to our backyard. And I noticed something lately here, that the tide is being lower than usual. So low that I had to take out the bait box and release all the sardines because the box was already hitting the floor. Well, like you see, that's how easy it was to get the boat and back at the house. Within, I'll say 10-15 minutes, because I was taking my time. We made it back to the canal, and now we can leave whenever we want. So let's go with the show. En el agua. All right, so today we're doing something a little different. Before I head out on the boat, I'm gonna guarantee my food. Boom! We done made some chicken stew, but I decided to make mine a little bit crispier, fry a little more, because I like things crunchy. So usually, you know how we do barbecue on the boat and stuff, but today we decided, since she was already making food early in the morning, we're just gonna eat it, then just take a cruise on the boat. So. What are you doing? And now it looks better, you see? Look, now it looks better. Alright, so you see? Now it looks better to my eyes. And it's a little crunchier. Because like this, hey, what you doing, girl? Like that is a little bit too watery. Oh, too watery for me. Oh, look at this. Wow. Wait. Where are you going? Where are you going?
On the boat.
Wow. Now I just got even hungrier. Well, you already know the day's gonna start off good because when it involves food, it's gonna be good, at least for me. And you know your cooking is good when your kids smell it and they're willing to try it. So you want some of this or? Well, like you saw, you noticed that I like my chicken kind of crispy, fried, and on the dry side, while Olguita prefers hers stew-like, soft, and full of juices. And in case you're wondering, yes, her way is healthier than mine. But now we're gonna sit down in my second favorite spot of the house because while I eat, I love looking outside. I guess if it was up to me, I'll make a house full of windows or all glass. So it doesn't matter what room I'm in, I can always look outside. And if you're wondering about the chicken, well, both ways, it tastes really good. And it also smells so good that it was driving Yuli crazy. And by the way, I would like to thank the fans that started to follow me on the other social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and even Twitter. Thank you guys. And now we got plenty of energy built up because of all the food. And we can take on whatever the day brings us. Well, the rest of the day because it is kind of late. It's about almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But when we're about to go in the water, time is the last thing I worry about. Just as long as I make it back before it gets dark. Because at nighttime, the temperature here drops pretty cold during the winter months. And I think today is pretty special because it's really bright and sunny. And if you guys like taking pictures like Olguita does, well, the morning time and the late afternoon is a perfect time to take pictures because you get that golden glow. So guess what we're gonna do before we head out. And yes, she also has plans to take some pictures during the sunset. And how can I say no to the star of the show? And ladies, before you start bombarding my comments with where did she get the bathing suit, I don't know. And also ladies, if you're wondering how many bathing suits Olguita has, I wonder myself sometimes too because I think she must have over hundreds of them. The good thing about her is I could trust her because she's a very good bargain hunter. And now we're gonna head out and head towards Sanibel or Fort Myers South. And I'm gonna show you guys a quick clip where we wound it up. But that's gonna be on tomorrow's video. How can you guess? Where were we? If you've been watching my channel for a while, you can kind of figure it out. And you know what else we did? We took advantage of a late, beautiful sunset and took some more pictures. But all that and more is gonna come on tomorrow's video. So double check your little bell for the notifications so you won't miss it. And remember, if you're visiting Miami to check out the boat show, we'll be there on Friday walking around with the cameras. So if you see us and you want to say hello, don't hesitate to say hi to us because we gladly would like to meet you. And it's always a pleasure to meet the people that watch the channel in person. So until then, see you guys next time out in the water.